Imagine waking up in the middle of a freezing night. No electricity, no flashlight, no matches, no lighter, only darkness stretching in every direction. The cold cuts through your body. Every breath feels colder than the last. Somewhere in the distance, a wolf howls, then another joins in. Slowly, the forest comes alive. You can't see what's hiding beyond the trees, but you know something is watching. Your family huddles together. Children shiver. The wind grows stronger. Your food is still raw. Your hands are freezing, and every passing minute, the danger grows. Today, when we feel cold, we simply turn on a heater or strike a single match. It takes only a few seconds. We barely think about it. But ancient humans had none of these. No matches, no lighters, no stoves, no fireplaces. Without fire, the night belonged to predators. Lions, wolves, hyenas, and creatures whose eyes glowed in the darkness. Humans weren't the fastest animals. They weren't the strongest. They didn't have sharp claws or powerful teeth. Yet somehow, they survived. Not because they were stronger than nature, but because they learned something no other animal ever mastered. Fire. It gave them warmth, light, protection, cooked food, and eventually the power to spread across the world. But here's the mystery. How did the very first humans create fire when nobody had ever shown them how? No books, no teachers, no science, only curiosity and the determination to survive. The answer would change human history forever. Long before humans learned how to create fire, they first had to find it. The earliest humans didn't know how to make flames. Instead, they waited for nature. Sometimes lightning struck a dry tree, and within seconds, the forest burst into flames. Most animals ran away in fear, but ancient humans stayed back, watching from a safe distance. For the first time, they saw something no other animal understood. Fire gave warmth. It scared away dangerous predators, and it turned the freezing night into a place where humans could finally survive. Then they noticed something even more surprising. Animals trapped in the fire left behind cooked meat. It smelled better, it tasted better, and it was much easier to chew. Without realizing it, humans had discovered one of the greatest breakthroughs in history. But there was a problem. Lightning didn't strike whenever people needed fire. Some years passed without a wildfire anywhere nearby. So whenever nature created fire, ancient humans protected it like treasure. They carried burning branches back to their camps. They buried glowing embers under warm ash, so the fire stayed alive for hours, sometimes even for days. Keeping the fire alive became one of the tribe's most important jobs. If the fire died, finding another flame could take weeks or even months. Some tribes never allowed their fire to go out. The same flame was protected for generations, but depending on lightning forever was impossible. Humans needed a way to create fire whenever they wanted. They tried again and again. Most attempts failed, but every failure taught them something new. One day, after countless experiments, they discovered that the secret wasn't hiding in the sky. It was hiding inside ordinary pieces of dry wood. At first, ancient humans believed fire was hiding inside the wood itself. They noticed something strange. Whenever two dry branches rubbed against each other, they became warm. The faster they rubbed, the hotter the wood became. Most of the time, nothing happened. Their hands became tired. The wood broke. Hours of effort ended in failure, but they refused to give up. Generation after generation, they kept experimenting. Slowly, they discovered something important. Not every piece of wood could make fire. Fresh, green wood almost never worked. Wet wood was completely useless. Only dry wood, exposed to the sun for a long time, could create enough heat. Then they made another discovery. The type of wood mattered. Some woods created heat much faster than others. Some produced fine black dust, while others barely changed at all. That tiny black powder turned out to be the key. As the wood kept rubbing together, the powder became hotter and hotter, until one incredible moment, a tiny red ember appeared. Not a flame, not even smoke at first, just a small glowing piece of burning wood dust. It was so fragile that a single strong breath could destroy it. Ancient humans quickly learned not to blow too hard. Instead, they carefully placed the glowing ember into a bundle of completely dry grass, tree bark, or soft plant fibers. Then they gently blew warm air onto it. A little smoke appeared, then more. The dry grass slowly turned black. Suddenly, a small orange flame appeared. For the first time, fire wasn't borrowed from nature. Humans had created it with their own hands. It was one of the greatest moments in human history, because from that day forward, people no longer had to wait for lightning. They could create fire whenever they had the right materials, enough patience, and the knowledge to do it. Creating fire once didn't solve the problem. Ancient humans quickly realized making fire was slow, painful, and often unsuccessful. Sometimes they rubbed 2 pieces of wood together for nearly an hour, only to watch the tiny ember disappear. Seconds before becoming a flame. On windy days, the ember cooled too quickly. After rain, everything became damp. Even the driest-looking wood could hide moisture inside. Many attempts ended without a single spark. That's why preparation became just as important as the fire itself. Before making fire, they searched for the driest wood they could find. They collected dead branches, dry grass, tree bark, and soft plant fibers. Every piece had a purpose. The wood created heat. The fine wood dust formed the ember, and the dry tinder helped that ember grow into a flame. Over time, humans also improved their techniques. Instead of rubbing sticks only with their hands, some groups created a simple bow drill, a curved branch, a string, and a wooden spindle. The bow spun the wood much faster, creating heat with far less effort. It wasn't magic, it was engineering, thousands of years before machines existed. In other places, people discovered another method. Certain stones, like flint, produced tiny sparks when struck against iron-rich rocks. Those sparks lasted only a moment, but if they landed on the right tinder, a glowing ember appeared once again. Different lands used different methods, but every successful fire followed the same rule: dry materials, careful preparation, and endless patience. Fire was never something you could rush. It rewarded only those who understood every step. By now, ancient humans no longer feared losing fire forever. Because they had learned something incredible, they didn't just protect fire anymore. They knew how to create it again and again, wherever they went. Once humans learned how to create fire, their world changed forever. Cold nights were no longer their greatest enemy. Predators became less of a threat. The glow of a campfire kept many dangerous animals away. But the biggest change was food. Before fire, most meat was eaten raw. It was tougher to chew, harder to digest, and far more dangerous. Cooking changed all of that. Food became softer, safer, and gave the body more usable energy. Fire also changed the way people lived. Families gathered around the flames. After sunset, they shared food, told stories, taught children, and passed survival knowledge from one generation to the next. Fire wasn't just keeping them warm, it was bringing people together. Then humans discovered that fire could change wood itself. The tips of wooden spears became harder after being heated. Simple tools lasted longer. Hunting became easier. Slowly, humans expanded into colder lands, where surviving without fire would have been impossible. What began as a single flame eventually helped build villages, cities, and civilizations. Fire wasn't just another discovery. It became one of the greatest technologies humanity had ever mastered. Today, creating fire takes only seconds. A match, a lighter, or the push of a button. We rarely stop to think about it, but there was a time when a single flame could decide whether an entire family survived. Without fire, the cold was deadly. The nights belonged to predators. Raw food spread disease, and many places on Earth were impossible to live in. Ancient humans didn't survive because they were the strongest. They survived because they observed nature. They learned from failure, and they refused to give up. Every failed attempt brought them one step closer to the discovery that changed history forever. Fire gave humans more than warmth. It gave them confidence to explore unknown lands, to cook safer food, to protect their families, and to build the foundation of every civilization that followed. The next time you light a candle, start a campfire, or simply switch on your stove, remember, you're using a discovery that began tens of thousands of years ago with nothing more than dry wood, patience, and human curiosity. Until the next documentary, stay curious, never stop learning, and, as always, stay safe.